Hi third graders, it's me again, and you should have by now watched the 14-4 Solve and Share and the 14-4 Visual Learning on Pearson. So we know at this point that we are measuring capacity, and capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. So we're doing some estimating today, and I thought before you go off and do your independent work, it would be good to do some guided practice problems together. So if everyone goes to page 759, you can do this work as I do it on my anchor chart back here. So we know that 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, and I like to think of milliliters as miniature liters. They're very small. So for example, this water bottle holds 1,000 milliliters or 1 milliliter. So please look at numbers 3 through 6 and watch as I do the solving. So number 3 asks, do you think a glass of milk is going to hold 250 milliliters or 2 liters? Well, I don't know about you, but this is about how much milk I drink. And this is 1 liter. So I have to think, is this bigger than a liter or smaller than a liter? I'm thinking this is smaller than a liter, so I'm going to say that a glass of milk can hold 250 milliliters. In 4, it asks about a bucket. It says, do you think a bucket can hold 5 milliliters or 1 liter? Well, 5 milliliters is smaller than a teaspoon, and this is 1 liter, so I'm going to think, is it going to be bigger than a liter or smaller than a liter? This bucket is probably going to hold more than a liter, so I would say about 1 liter for my bucket. Number 5 talks about a bottle of juice. Now we know that bottle of juice sizes can vary, but let's think about this being our bottle of juice. So it wants to know, do we think that a bottle of juice is 10 milliliters or 1 liter? Well, if I compare this bottle to my water bottle, I'm thinking they're about the same, so I'm going to say that a bottle of juice holds 1 liter. And finally, it asks about a cereal bowl. Do I think it's going to hold 300 milliliters or 3 liters? Well, here's the cereal bowls that we have at my house. So is this going to hold more than 1 liter or less than 1 liter? I would say definitely less than 1 liter. Again, when I compare it to my water bottle. So is it more likely to hold 300 milliliters or 3 liters? I'm going to say 300 milliliters. So my glass of milk is 250 milliliters. My bucket is 1 liter. My bottle of juice is 1 liter. And my cereal bowl is 300 milliliters. As you go into your independent work, think about, is this object going to hold more than this water bottle or less than this water bottle? And if you need to take out a water bottle to help you, please do that. Good luck on your independent practice.